Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and if you want to delete permanently your account, you can do that if you click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the settings. Scroll down and you can see at the bottom of the screen the delete account. You have to give a reason why you want to delete your account, and after that click on the continue, and if you are sure, you have to accept the terms of account deletion and click on the delete account, and then your account will be deleted forever. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.